Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to crop a layer in Photoshop. Now, this is a very helpful tool, and it'd be great if you knew it, so follow my steps here. So, I have an image here, and I don't exactly like that he isn't very centered to it. So what I'm going to do is actually just crop down the image. The crop tool is on the left right here. All I have to do is click it, and click and drag out a box. Now don't worry about being perfect with this box because as you can see here, I can adjust the size of it. So I will adjust the size. And if I hit enter or this check up here, it'll crop down my image and my canvas size. My name's Zach and I just showed you how to crop an image in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.